Welcome to 223 22nd Delmar Street, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, fully furnished home with brand new stainless steel appliances. First, we'll check out the garage. It has a 2-car attached garage, lots of space and storage. Second, we have our laundry room. A little nook for extra seating. And this is one of our first bedrooms and baths. Full 3-door closet. And an extra closet on the outside for extra storage. Then we have our very open, spacious kitchen with all stainless steel appliances, bar stools, great counter space. Then we come into our dining room that has 2 entryways to the outdoor patio. The outdoor is an awesome, green, spacious yard with lights, barbecue, and lots of room to make great memories. Then we venture into our living room, another very spacious living space with a fireplace, speakers, lots of place to sit. Also, on the first floor, we have our second bath and bedroom. Lots and lots of closet space. And storage. Then we venture upstairs to the master bedroom. Decorated staircase. And a slight loft to be able to have any guests or extra room. Then we venture into our master bedroom. Lots of space for work, relax, and another fireplace. With a walk-in closet that has vaulted ceilings, so lots of storage. And a very light and bright bathroom with multiple sinks, a tub, and a shower. This concludes the tour of 22nd Delmar Street.